Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the calculator off and placing it face down on a flat, clean surface. This prevents buttons from shifting. Next, remove the 2 plastic feet and then the 2 small Phillips screws. Keep them together so you don't lose one. Once done, gently pry the back cover from the top edge toward the battery compartment. A thin pick or fingernail works, because the clips release with light pressure and you avoid cracking the case. Once the back is open, locate the coin cell and note its model number. Ti-30xa commonly uses CR2025 or CR2032, so matching prevents voltage mismatch. Carefully lift the old cell with non-magnetic tweezers, avoiding contact with circuit traces, and inspect the spring and contact tab for corrosion. Then place the new cell with the plus sign facing up. Press gently to seat it under the retainer, and make sure spring tension returns to hold the cell firmly. This ensures reliable contact. With the new cell seated, realign the back cover starting at the bottom edge, then press around the perimeter until each clip snaps into place. This prevents gaps that could let dirt in. Next, reinstall the screws and plastic feet snugly. Do not over-tighten because cracked plastic is common. Finally, power on the calculator and run a quick check of arithmetic and the memory. If the display is blank, remove and reseat the cell or clean contact points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.